Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, the second part.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x is equal to the integral from x to 2x of 2 over t dt, and we need to find f prime of x, capital F prime of x. We'll use our formula to set this up. F prime of x is equal to d over dx of our f of x, or the integral from x to 2x, 2 over t dt. So the first thing we want to do here is start from the inside, baby steps. Let's take the integral of 2 over t. So we have f prime of x is equal to d over dx. And the integral of 2 over t comes out to be, well, 2 natural log of t. And we're integrating that from x to 2x. Put it up here. F prime of x is equal to d over dx. All right? And so our next step is we need to plug 2x in for t first, and subtract it when we plug in an x. So 2 natural log of a 2x minus a 2 natural log of x. Okay? All right. So we got that out of the way here. We've integrated that. Now we just take the derivative. F prime of x here. We can't really combine this. So taking the derivative of each part, what do we get? Well, the derivative of the first part, we have 2 times, 1 over 2x times the derivative of the inside, which is 2. Minus derivative of here is just a 2 times 1 over x. Oops, don't need the bracket here. So, a little way to make this easier to simplify, I'm actually going to pull out a 2 so we can see it a little easier. So we have f prime of x here is a 2, pulling out this 2 and this 2, multiplied by, well, simplify 2 over 2x minus a 1 over x that's left over. Keep going, f prime of x here, 2 times, well, 2 over 2 cancels out to be 1 over x, and 1 over x minus 1 over x is a 0. Now it's a little easier to see. F prime of x is equal to 2 times 0, which is 0. And there we have it. After all of that, our capital F prime of x is equal to 0. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.